Long press the power button to turn on the device. Use the plus and minus buttons to adjust the password digits. Short press the power button to confirm the digit. After entering the 3-digit password, double-click the power button to confirm. The dashboard will enter the standard operation interface. Horn activation. Light on, off. Use plus and minus to shift gears. Single press the M button to switch between single dual motor drive. When powered on, single press the power button to toggle the ambient light. Ambient light effect enabled. Turn signals on, off. Press and hold minus and M simultaneously to enter background mode. Use plus and minus to switch between menu functions. P001, KMH and MPH switching. 00, KMH01, MPH, press M to switch, confirm menu options. P05, cruise control switch. 00, off, 01, on. P06, non-zero start switch. 00, zero start enabled. 01, non-zero start enabled. P08, standby time setting. The number represents minutes. 00 means the device never shuts down. P10, starting acceleration intensity. A higher number means stronger acceleration. U33, firmware version number. After any setting is adjusted, wait a few seconds for the screen to return to the standard interface.